Richard Garde will fight out of the red corner in the green trunks, lime green. And his opponent, Bevan Sibanda, in the white.
Ito na mga idol, ang pinakahihintay nating laban. Ito ay bakbakan ng South Africa versus Pilipinas. Ito ay si Richard Garde versus Bevan Sibanda. Ang labang ito pala mga idol is para sa IBF International sa minimum weight division. Bakante ang titulong ito mga idol. Ang Pilipinong boksingero pala dyan mga idol is ang naka red gloves. Tapos ang Afrikano is ang naka puting gloves.
What a familiarity for Bevan Sibanda as well as his 8th bout at Empress Palace and lost the last round for the WBC minimum weight silver title.
Solid.
This one a chance to establish himself.
Uy, nice left hook by Garde.
Richard Garde.
Uy, binakbakan si Kabayan sa bodega.
From Bevan Sibanda. His body punches were fantastic. Holding on Richard Garde. Recording your stable, mate.
Doing brilliant, Uncle Brian's doing what he wants. He told us he's gonna take this fight very
Ito
seriously.
parang Afrikano mga idol is may kartadang 8 wins at isang talo. Habang itong Pilipino na si Richard Garde ay may kartadang 11 panalo at 2 talo.
He's hurt his man in the body, Kevin. You can see that he's flinching now. Richard Garde when he gets a body shot. Great straight left hand.
Pero parang nasasaktan agad si Kabayan sa mga banat sa bodega nitong ni Sibanda mga idol.
Oh, right hand down the middle, Sibanda. What a jab. His punches look so sharp. Very sharp. I was about to say that as well, Kevin.
Lakas ng step jab nitong Afrikano mga idol.
On top from the beginning here. Bevan Sibanda and Richard Garde on the back.
Uy, nice body by Richard Garde.
On the inside from Bevan Sibanda. That's the Filipino. 30 seconds left of the first round. And Richard Garde's been hurt. As early as the first round.
Sa boxing mga idol, halos alam na ng lahat ng bansa na ang kahinaan ng mga Pilipinong boksingero is katawan. Kaya naman, pag Pilipino ang kanilang makakalaban, is katawan na ang kanilang binawakbakan agad. Gaya ngayon, pati Afrikano, tinitira na tayo sa katawan. Dati itong mga Afrikano is nag-head hunting lang eh. Ito na mga idol, round number 2. Uy, tinamaan si Kabayan sa counter. Ang laban pa lang ito mga idol is scheduled for 10 rounds kasi title fight. Nice clinch. Uy, upper, butin lang hindi tumama. Delikado yun. Masyadong mabilis itong Afrikano mga idol.
Won his opening bout on a split decision in March of 2022 against Ephraim.
Uy, body again.
Of Zimbabwe at the country club in Harare. Since then, he's been based mostly at
unti-unting pinalambot si Richard Garde dito sa mga body shot ni Sibanda mga idol.
Yes, competed in most of his fights in South Africa.
Uy, nice body again by Garde.
Good overhand right down from Garde. Can he come back? He's throwing some leather. He's got some solid power.
Oh, masyadong malaki.
As the man from the Philippines.
Malaki itong Afrikano. Parang magkaibang division tong dalawang boksingero mga idol. Oh, masyadong makapal ang katawan nitong Afrikano. Tapos matangkad pa. Tapos itong si Richard Garde, manipis lang at katawan at maliit. Kaya naman parang ibang division, magkaibang division tong dalawang boksingero dito sa laban.
Richard Gardy's defense. He's got his hands up nice and high. And he's coming forward, but he's got to move his head side to side against a sharp and crisp Bevan Sibanda.
Solid din ang mga jab nitong Afrikano, mga idol.
Lands a couple of blows backs off, comes in, lands another couple and backs off. Bevan Sibanda fighting an intelligent fight here in round number 2 of schedule 10.
Hindi nakatatamas kabayan dito, mga idol.
Live on your World of Champions from Empress Palace.
One thing I must say, Kevin, to your question earlier on about the altitude. If you're very fit, it doesn't matter about the altitude. It doesn't matter what country you come from or what country you go to.
Triple jab by Simbanda.
Great shape, altitude doesn't really matter.
Love the triple jab. 10 seconds. Bevan Sibanda. 10 seconds remaining in round number 2 of schedule 10. Again.
Hihirapan talagang pagkapasok si Gardy sa depensa nitong si Sibanda. Dahil sa mga matutulis niya nga jab. Ito na, mga idol, round number 3. Ang laban pa lang ito, mga idol, ay ginanap sa bansang South Africa.
And try to land punches and dominate over Sibanda right from the beginning, and there he goes with a big overhand right as well, does the man from the Philippines. And
overhand, hindi tumama.
a very good start to the round. Watchful.
Parang napoprostrate na dito si Richard Gardy, mga idol. Uy, nice body by Gardy. Nice body again. Yee! Naramdaman ni Richard Gardy ang banat ni Sibanda sa katawan. Delikado to, mga idol. Bumabawi si Gardy pero delikado. Nasasaktan kasi siya. Base sa kanyang body language, nasasaktan siya sa mga banat ni Sibanda sa katawan. Tapos sa mga tira niya kay Sibanda, hindi lang iniinda nito. Inabsorb lang nito ng mabuti. Maganda din kasi ang mga body shot nitong Afrikano.
Good left uppercut though from Gardy just before that to the body. Ooh, a nice right uppercut too, Brian. And Sibanda says, well, there's one for you.
Very, very impressive performance. And he's a left to the body.
Uy, miss out. Tinamaan na naman sa bodega si kabayan. Uy, fake. Oh, fake na naman. Doon, delikado na si kabayan dito, mga idol.
Bevan Sibanda now fighting out his southpaw stance and taking complete control. Goes back to orthodox of this 10-round fight. Can fight orthodox and southpaw.
Jab, double jab by Sibanda. Napakatulis ng mga banat nitong si Bevan Sibanda. Kaya naman tumatagos talaga sa pati sa depensa nitong si Richard Gardy. 1-2 by Sibanda. Body shot na naman. Wala, hindi na nagre-reply si kabayan. Wala nang, oh. Oh, nice. Tumama pa. Nice counter by Gardy. Pero delikado pa rin si Gardy. End of the round. Ito na, mga idol. Round number 4.
As he has done throughout the course of this bout. Richard Gardy on the front foot, but it doesn't last long.
Dito, bumabanat agad si Richard Gardy sa umpisa ng laban, mga idol. Parang naka-recover na bahagya si Richard Gardy sa mga banat na natanggap niya nito sa round 3. Uy, body shot na naman. Ito palang Afrikano, mga idol, is switcher. pumapalit-palit. Galing sa southpaw, magiging orthodox. Kaya na naman nakakalito rin ang estilong ito.
Continues to try and come forward though, Brian, and
Miss.
that's admirable, but even when he does that, Bevan Sibanda able to just avoid
1-2
any
by
damage
Sibanda.
from the man from the Philippines. Just about ends up on one of the ringside judges' laps.
Good jab there, Bevan Sibanda.
Nice job by si Banda. Hindi nakaka-cut si Gardet dahil nasa magandang
Not averse
jab ni si Banda eh.
cut. And still that swelling underneath. The touch of gloves from the fighters.
Biglang nag-run out. Biglang nag-run out.
I think for both fighters, but nobody got in a sneaky punch in the dark.
No, 1 minute left of round number 4. Still controlling the pace.
Body shot na naman pero bumawi si Kabayan.
It's Richard Gardy. And he's just been completely dominated by little Bevan Sibanda.
Last three fights have been victories for Guardia against
Uy, nice body by Garde. Sa bayan.
Zarkon and Ariston Aton.
Pero nadali si Kabayan sa counter.
Unanimous points decision. But tonight he's come up against a man who is showing immense skill and a little dummy dart off towards the right.
Uy, tinamaan si Kabayan sa jab na naman.
On the southpaw sides, and then comes to work. He's fairly unpredictable because he's got this like.
Masyado talagang malaki itong South African maski saan ko tingnan.
Bevan Sibanda looking like a difficult man to hit.
There's a bit of Sugar Ray Leonard there as well.
Uy, body shot.
I love it.
Flory by si Banda.
Bevan is really looking good here tonight. Against his man from the Philippines, Richard Gardy.
Bill sounds for the start of round number 5 of the schedule 10.
Ito na mga idol, round number 5.
Fights. Bevan Sibanda.
Nasa kalagitnaan na tayo ng laban.
In Cape Town, and again,
Body shot na naman. Tinanggap ni Kabayan. Na-corner na si Kabayan dito mga idol. Uy! Bumagsak na talaga si Kabayan. Hindi na lang niya kinaya ang mga body shot ni si Banda. Nag-iimbak lang kasi yung mga body shot mga idol. Kaya naman hindi mo na makakaya yan. Yun, body shot na naman. Wala. Bagsak. Delikado. Delikado tayo dito mga idol. Yun, body shot na naman. Wala, talo talaga tayo mga idol. Body shot talaga. Solid. Better luck next time mga idol.